Ever wonder how businesses turn raw materials into finished products or services? That is the heart of operations management. At its core, operations management is about maximizing efficiency by balancing costs with revenue to achieve the highest possible net profit. For many companies, the cost of operations represents a huge chunk of their total budget, making every small improvement count. Managers look at everything from how parts arrive at the factory to ensuring the final product meets customer quality standards. While strategy sets the long-term vision for a company, operations is the engine that executes that vision on a daily basis. Successful operations management aims for continuous improvement, slowly increasing output while keeping resource consumption stable. As the saying goes, operations is the art of doing more with less, which directly impacts the bottom line for shareholders. Understanding these mechanics helps you better analyze company performance. Subscribe for more financial basics, and thanks for watching.